A very good evening to everyone. And as you can make out, we are neither Boniem and nor are we Econ. But we just here to take a few seconds. It's a very special evening for all of us. And I'm very, very happy and excited that the Honorable Union Minister for Dona has agreed to come and be with us out here. Tourism is a very, very important part of our overall strategy for our region, and through the Department of Northeast, we are very, very hopeful that a lot of support is being given and in the future also will be given. So I'm very happy to see our Honorable Minister, and on behalf of our state, our people and our region, I would like to take this opportunity, sir, to welcome you to our state and to this festival, sir. And also I would like to thank our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snabalandhar, our Tourism Minister, Mr. Paul Lingo, and all the organizing committee who have made this particular festival possible. So I really would like to thank all of you, congratulate all of you, and really would like to wish everybody a very great evening. And at the same time would like to request our Honorable Minister for Dona to kindly say a few words.